Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is a beautiful day. Planes are flying overhead. Don't know if you can hear that, but it's a great day. The reason it's a great day is because, well, first of all, you're joining me, and that's a great thing. The other thing is that there are some really, really great things. You can see that is my favorite new puppy, Augie Doggy, for those of you boomers that remember that cartoon. And I'm Doggy Daddy, so I'm like the stupid one. But hey, there are some really great things happening that I need to share with you guys. We are going to be launching in a couple of days our network. And our network will have not just home buying, home selling stuff, but there's going to be games that'll be there, trivia games with prizes, and there are all kinds of interesting facts, home repair, etc. Things that I'm qualified for. As you know, I'm an author. I've written 5 books so far, and I'm an engineer, so I know plenty about home repair. And let's be blunt. What is happening out here right now is that there are so many changes in the home market that most people are staying, right? And so what's the best thing to do? Let's fix our home up. We don't want to buy anything, but let's fix our home up. So what do? You go out and you try and find someone, and that's hard to get. Geese are flying. I'm sure you can hear that. But they're trying to fix up their home, but they don't know how. There might be little repairs you have to do here, there. Well, I'll be showing you that and getting you the right tools for that. There's all kinds of family things. I'll be probably coming to your neighborhood to show off your neighborhood. There's just so many things that can happen now that I'm excited about, and I'm hoping you'll join me in this journey to see what you can do, what I can do, and I'm hoping it'll be a time for enjoyment, not all this negative stuff around here. I'll try and keep it as fun as I possibly can, because frankly, I'm tired of being disappointed too, but it's going to be a great time. So follow my channel, share this with everybody, and let's make this happen. Mike Tom, it's Facebook is Mike Tom Network. YouTube, I'll have the link up above there too, that I'll be posting on there. Twitter, all of the social networks. I have all the links, but that'll be coming on a regular basis. More information to come. Best thing, share, follow. Do your magic for me, folks. Thanks a lot.